we will go to the tests in more detail to understand more how to teach reading. First, you have to choose an interesting text or story to motivate your learners. The reading text that the students are going to learn must be something interesting, not something historical or related to science. No, it must be something interesting. You have to use, of course, images like we used at the beginning. You have to assign a task to be accomplished, which is you are asking by using the text some questions for your students to do. Or you have to activate your learners' schemata to ask them to expect through the author, give them ideas about the author or the title. You have to make personalized discussion appropriate to be within learners' levels. Of course, the discussion must be according to your students' level. You have don't use to do a high-level discussion with low learners inside the class. You have to use discussion appropriate for the learners' level. You have to choose an authentic text. Authentic means a text used by native speakers, like, for example, text from newspapers, magazine, from the TV. These are authentic texts. Here, the teacher's role here is what? I think here the teacher's role is a facilitator. He is trying to facilitate everything to his student. Of course, number 2, you have to pre-teach blocking vocabulary to the student. Don't teach all the vocabulary in the text, as I said, not more than 5 blocking vocabulary. Choose words they need to know to do the task. Okay, you have to choose the most difficult words in the text that will block them when they are reading. They will stop to think about the meaning of this. So you have to pre-teach them to not let them stop and read easily. Teach the vocabulary in context or in sentences and let them deduce the meaning. It's very important to let your students to deduce the meaning or get the meaning alone. Try to get it alone. Then you give them the main meaning of the vocabulary. Here the teacher's role is also a facilitator. So let's go through the step number 3. You have to set a just task. Just task means to give the students general idea of the text. By using this picture, as we said, by asking them a question about the topic itself that they are going to read about and deduce from them or elicit from them information about the text they are about to read. The students must predict or choose the correct answer, as I said now, and the students do the task silent reading. It has to be silent reading. They don't have to read aloud because you are not teaching the reading lesson for fluency to let them read aloud. No, they have to silent reading to concentrate on the text. The teacher asks the student to do the post task and sit back and watch. Here, the teacher's role is what? When the teacher sits back and watch is what? Monitor. Excellent. You can make reading race using stopwatch. You can use the stopwatch to make a reading race. Ask them, you have to read this text in, for example, 1 minute. I will choose the best one who will read it in 30 minutes or 30 seconds or something like this. You can ask them to role play the text if it is a story or something.